What are decimals? Decimals are fractions or percentages of whole numbers. Let's start out with the most basic unit here. We have 0.12345. If we start out to the left of the decimal, we have ones or units, and that can go further out, but we'll just keep the 0 there. When we move to the right of the decimal, we have tenths, then hundredths, then thousands, 10,000ths, and 100,000ths. Now we could move further if we had a bigger number, but we'll stick with this example to give you the basic idea. Next, what we can do is we can look at how to express decimals in terms of fractions. So let's say the 0.1 can be expressed as 1/10. The 0.2 or the 2 there can be expressed as 2 100ths. The 3 can be expressed as 3 1,000ths. The 4 can be expressed as 4 10,000ths. And the 5 can be expressed as 5 100,000ths. Now, if you want to go ahead and we want to figure out what fraction this is, well, we go with our biggest number. So we'll add all these numbers up together. We'll have 12,345, and then we're going to divide that by our biggest number, which happens to be 100,000. So we'll rewrite that as equivalent of 12,345 divided by 100,000. Now let's take a look at scientific notation for decimals, and we're basically going to rewrite this 0.12345 equal to, in this case, I'm going to go with 123.45, and what I have to do is I have to adjust the decimal, so I got to multiply that times 10 to the certain power. And in this case, we got to figure out how many spots we have to move the 1 over. In this case, we're moving the 1 over to where the 4 is. It'll be 3 spots. And in this case, it'll be -3 because we want to lower that number. So it's going to be 10 to the -3rd power. Now let's take a look at another scientific notation. We're going to use the same number again. And this time we're going to set that equal to 0.001235, and then obviously we multiply that times 10, and we want to know what power or what exponent that has to go to set it equivalent to the 0.12345. And in this case, if you look at the 1, it has to move over 2 decimal places, and in this case it's a +2 because we want to increase the size of that to make it equivalent. So in that case it's going to be 10 to the 2nd power. And one other note before we wrap up here, that decimals can also be expressed in percentages. So the 0.12345 can be expressed as 12.345% or 12.3%, depending on how far you want to go with the decimal places on that. And that essentially wraps up our brief overview of what decimals are. Thank you for watching.